So just click on it and look for any place that is gray, white or black. Those three colors give you close to accurate white balance or good white balance. So if I just click on a white dress like this, you can see the white balance has changed and it will make the image look good. Hello everyone, welcome back to another amazing tutorial. My name is Tunde Victor, and in today's video I'm going to be explaining white balance and how to use white balance and how to correct white balance and how to change white balance of your image. I'm going to be explaining how to do it with Capture One, how to do it with Camera Raw, and also how to do it with Lightroom. So let's get started. So this first one right here is Capture One. White balance simply means the temperature of your image, and white balance is determined by the kind of light you have when you're taking our image. So this white balance for this image is warm, and right here, this is how you know if your white balance is warm or cool. So right here, these are white balance. So this white balance is shot with a Kelvin of 4998, and which means it's the warm side. So if your white balance is on 4500, it means it's not too warm, not too cold. And if the Kelvin of your white balance is more than 4500, it means your image is warm. And if the Kelvin of your white balance is less than 4500, it means your image is cool. So if you want to make your image cooler, just take your Kelvin all the way down to the blue side. As you can see, it's making this image cooler like this. And you can also add a little bit of tint to your white balance or a little bit of grain to your white balance depending on the look you want to go for. So if I take my Kelvin down like this, I'm making the image cool. If I take it all the way up, I'm making the image warm. So as you can see, the image is yellowish and it's looking warm. So this white balance right here is how you can correct or change your white balance using Capture One. And you can also allow Capture One to auto correct your white balance for you by clicking on this color picker right here. So just click on it and look for any place that is gray, white or black. Those three colors give you close to accurate white balance or good white balance. So if I just click on a white dress like this, you can see the white balance has changed and it will make the image look good. If I also click on let me look for a dark place for this image. If I click on this dark gray here like this, you can see it's making the white balance almost accurate. And if I click on this dark place on her hair like this, you can see it's also giving an accurate white balance. But if I click on these yellows on these flowers right here, you can see it's not making the white balance look good. And also if I click on these greens right here on the flowers, you can see it's not making the white balance look good. But if I click on this gray right here, you can see it's giving me close to an accurate white balance. Or if I click on this white on her shirt right here, you can see it's giving me close to an accurate white balance. Or if I click on this dark place right here on her hair, you can see it's giving me close to an accurate white balance. So if you don't really know the white balance you want to use, you can just look for any gray, dark or white part of your image to give you an accurate white balance. And so that's how you change your white balance in Capture One, or that's how you correct white balance using Capture One. I'm just going to go to Camera Raw right now and show you how to also correct your white balance in Camera Raw. So right now we're in Photoshop. I'm just going to come to my filter and come to Camera Raw filter, because Camera Raw is an inbuilt plugin for Photoshop. So now that we're in our Camera Raw, just come to your basic like this. Once you click your basic, the first thing you're going to see right here is white balance. Just the way I explained it with Capture One is the same thing. If you move your sliders up, you are adding warm to the image. If you take it down, you're adding, making the image look cool. This is your color picker right here as well. If you click on it and you click on white on your image, you get close to your accurate white balance. The same thing if you click on the gray, you'll get close to an accurate white balance. And if you click on this dark place right here on her hair, you can see you are getting close to an accurate white balance. Which this one is too much, but you can just get something to start with. While if I click on these flowers, you can see I'm not getting the accurate white balance like that. So that's how you also change your white balance in Camera Raw. And last but not the least, we're going to go to Lightroom for those of you who use this Lightroom, and I'm going to show you how you can correct your white balance using Lightroom as well. Welcome to Lightroom. In Lightroom, if you want to adjust the white balance, all you have to do is come to your basic as well. You're going to see white balance right here. So the same thing, if you want to make your image look cool, just take it to the blue side like this, and your image will be cool. If you want it to look warm, take your image to this side, your image will look warm. And white balance is just adding a fill to your image. It's like a filter you're adding to your image. And also you can also play with the tints. If you want to add greens to the image, just take the greens to your green side like this, and you can see you're adding greens to the image. And if you want to add magentas to the image, just take it to the magenta side like this, so you're adding magentas to the image. And also you can also use your picker tool right here, so just click on it and click on any white place on the image to get accurate white balance. And also you can click on any gray place again to get an accurate white balance. But if you click on any colors apart from black, white and gray, you are going to get off white balance. Like, you're not going to get anything close to the white balance you are looking for. So if you want to get close to accurate white balance, make sure to click on your dark part of your image, any dark part of your image, or any white part of your image, or the brightest part of your image, or click on any gray or brown part of your image. And that's all for this video. And if you really learn anything from this video, or you gain anything helpful, make sure to hit on that like button so that more people can see this video and learn from this video as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay creative.